Hey guys, Apple has officially launched the iPhone 16 and 16 Pro lineup today, and now we are taking a look at the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is going to be my personal device. This is going to be the one that I'm going to be using myself as my daily device. And let's get right into the unboxing because I wanted to share some few details in regards to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Again, my personal device. I picked this one up on the Desert Titanium. It is the best color in my opinion for the Pro models this year. And take a look at that brand new color. It's really nice. I really like the way it sort of shimmers in the light, the borders around the edges. Take a look right there. We have the power button. We also have the camera controls. We have the camera module. And of course, we have on the other side the action button, volumes up and down. At the bottom of the phone, we have USB-C. And obviously, this iPhone is the biggest iPhone that Apple has to offer. There's a few details in regards to the iPhone 16 Pro Max that I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. By the way, there isn't any more Apple stickers inside of the box, but I was told that Apple will give you the stickers if you request them in stores. But now let's talk about some of the things that make the iPhone 16 Pro Max unique. But before we do, here is a quick word from our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by TORRAS. Now, TORRAS is the original designer of the O-shaped stand. The Ostand 360 spin case offers a maximum protection with perfect cutouts for all the buttons on the new iPhone 16 and 16 Pro lineup. With the O-Stand, you can prop your iPhone up for FaceTime calls or watching videos hands-free. You can also use the O-Stand for better grip when taking pictures and selfies. The case combines a regular case, a phone stand, a MagSafe bag, and a finger ring all into one single form factor. TORRAS and iPhone share the same vision to truly increase functionality for their users, and I'm honestly going to be using the Ostand 360 spin case a lot on my personal iPhone 16 Pro Max. TORRAS also offers the GlassGo X screen protector kit that allows you to apply a perfectly aligned and dust-free screen protector on your new iPhone 16 every single time. It is honestly the best way to apply a screen protector for a perfect installation every time. So make sure to buy the Ostand 360 with the GlassGo to get the best protection and functionality for your new iPhone 16 Pro Max. Click the links in the description below. Thank you to TORRAS for sponsoring this video. So the first thing I want to point out is look at the display. Look at the bezels going around the edge of that display. There are basically no bezels left on this iPhone. If we remove Dynamic Island, this thing would be all glass in the front, as you can see right there. Obviously, this device also features the camera control button. As you can see right there, you can invoke the camera controls directly from the side of the device, which is obviously a welcome new feature and change this year. Now, Apple mentions that the iPhone 16 Pro Max offers the biggest battery life of any iPhone. Obviously, it is the biggest iPhone, the biggest battery, the longest lasting battery of any of the other iPhones, the biggest display. Obviously, we can see that this is the biggest display on any iPhone. And again, those bezels just drive me crazy. Take a look at how slim those bezels are on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That is kind of crazy. This phone is also capable of 4K 120 with Dolby Vision. So this one is going to be insane. Take a look at that right there. 120. So that is pretty cool. The iPhone 16 Pro Max also features upgraded, charging speeds, 25 watts of fast wireless charging, and 45 watts of wired charging. Now, there is one downside, and it is that Apple does not have Apple Intelligence ready, so you will get the old Siri. Hopefully, Apple will deliver on their promise to bring Apple Intelligence to all of these devices. I hope that they do that sooner rather than later. It is now mid-September, mid to late September. Apple plans to release iOS 18.1, perhaps mid to late October, with Apple Intelligent features. But keep in mind, do not purchase this device hoping for Apple Intelligence to make it better. Purchase it for what it is now. Never buy a device with a promise of software making it better. I think Apple needs to make that a little more clear that Apple Intelligence isn't here just yet. But if you're watching this perhaps in November of 2024, Apple Intelligence is probably already out. So thank you for watching my unboxing videos this week. Much more videos coming your way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.